Hello everyone and welcome to Vartapratikriya. Today we embark on an exciting journey to unveil our groundbreaking application and help you grasp its transformative potential. This video is structured into two captivating sections. First, we will showcase our prototype, giving you a sneak peek into its functionalities, and then we will delve into a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation. Throughout this presentation, we'll cover everything from the cutting edge technologies that powered our application to its real world use cases, unique selling points, future prospects, and a closer look at the talented team behind it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. As we dive right into the heart of our application, let's explore the prototype of Vartapratikriya together. When you first visit our website, you will be greeted with two significant options. The first option allows you to access our GitHub repository where we have meticulously organized our work under the Vartapratikriya organization. Here you can witness our team's dedication through various repositories, each serving a distinct purpose, such as the API, the cron job for scheduled tasks, the front end, the back end, and a specialized video pipeline tailored for YouTube video scraping. These repositories, individually crafted and perfected, have been seamlessly integrated to create the incredible app. Let's now delve deeper into the code of our application, the dashboard. In this initial section, we have gathered the top trending keywords in recent news. It's like having your own finger on the pulse of what's happening right now. For instance, Pakistan has made headlines 10 times and India has 33 times. This provides an instant snapshot of what's dominating the news cycle, depending on the time of the last crawl has been done, which can be seen just below the application name. In the next section, we present a dynamic word cloud. This isn't just about English news, it's about the entire linguistic tapestry of India. We are scraping news in multiple languages to give a holistic view of the most frequently used words across the nation. Now let's delve into some truly fascinating insights. In our keyword tracking section, we are not only tracking prevalence of keywords but also gauging the sentiment and factuality. Take for example business. It is shining with a positive sentiment of 13.79 and a fact index of 85.64. But here's where it gets interesting. Loss carries a negative sentiment boldly represented in orange. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. As we journey deeper into our dashboard, you will encounter a diverse array of graphs that offer a panoramic view of the news landscape. We have the language-wise sentiment and fact analysis graph, giving you insights on how different languages perceive news sentiment and factuality. The number of articles by language graph reveals the linguistic diversity of our sources. The category of articles count graph offers a glimpse into what news categories are making waves. And finally, our sentiment and fact analysis category graph breaks down the nuances of sentiment and factuality within each news category. Now let's explore the treasure trove of articles. Here you will find a curated collection of news pieces harvested by our application. Each article is accompanied by essential details that provide quick glance at its essence. We have got the headlines that piques your interest, the sentiment whether it's neutral, negative or positive, a fact check indicator to discern the veracity, the publication date to keep things timely, the language in which it was written and the source from which it was meticulously extracted. But wait, there's more. If you're curious to dive deeper, just hit view article button and you will be seamlessly transported to the original source, allowing you to explore the full story. It's your one-stop destination for staying informed and empowered. Now let's talk about the dynamic and automated magic happening behind the scenes. Our application constantly scours the web, filling our repositories with the latest news articles whenever the cron job on the server runs. It's all seamlessly automated, ensuring you're always up to date. But what truly sets us apart is our powerful filtering section. Let's say you're interested in Marathi news. With a simple click, you can filter out precisely what you're looking for. You can even choose to filter out the sentiments that are negative, positive, or neutral. For example, if we click on negative sentiment and true facts, see those 4 articles matching your criteria? Now let's add a twist. Change the true facts to fake and voila, you got a different set of results, showing articles with negative sentiments and fake facts. But we are not done yet. Let's switch gears to Malayalam to ensure the diversity of this application. A simple click on view article and you are transported to the Malayalam article itself. It's about giving you complete control and access to the news you want, exactly the way you want. We have got more in our store. Our application boasts a robust video pipeline powered by the YouTube Data API. It effortlessly extracts transcripts from the latest videos simply by providing a channel ID. Not only that, it performs sentiment analysis and fact checking on the content. But that's not all. We are also equipped with live listeners that keep tabs on YouTube live videos. For videos lacking transcriptions, we have integrated the speech-to-text ACR from Hugging Face, ensuring we scrape and analyze their content comprehensively. And that's not the end of it. We have developed an optical character recognition OCR model designed to pinpoint negative sections within articles, as you can see demonstrated in this video. While these changes are not live yet in production, rest assured they are on the horizon and coming soon. Now we will continue with the PowerPoint presentation.
Hello everyone. We, the members of Team Shiro from Techno International Newtown, present to you a solution in response to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting's challenge to revolutionize the interaction between the Government of India and regional media. Our mission is to develop a sophisticated 360-degree feedback software solution. We all know how the media's influence in diplomacy extends beyond borders. The Press Information Bureau PIB is the nodal agency of the Government of India to distribute information on government policies, programs, initiatives to the print and electronic media. The views on such policies or programs given by the government may have positive as well as negative response, which should reach the nodal agency as a feedback and let them know what India thinks. The agency can then take the further required steps to modify or delete or create policies depending on the audience response, irrespective of language barrier, field of interest in the news, and most importantly, the source of the news. Our objective is to improve the feedback mechanism of the PIB by introducing an automated solution called Vartapratikriya. This system is designed to oversee a range of regional websites, sort news articles based on the government departments, and assess their tone or sentiment. The farm laws passed by the government in 2021 affected the farmers in such a negative way that they took their own lives. This happened because the media outlets portrayed these laws in a negative manner, which could have been prevented if the concerned authorities could know the impact of the general public. This is where our solution comes in. Varta Pratikriya, where Varta stands for conversation and Pratikriya stands for feedback. It is a tech driven system that enhances India's PIB feedback process. It actively monitors regional websites, categorizes news articles by government departments, assesses emotions, and extracts relevant digital newspaper clippings using OCR. It extends its analysis to YouTube channels, identifying government related segments and alerting PIB officers to negative content. This comprehensive approach supports PIB's goal of informed decision making and improved feedback processes.
As explained by Chiptanjana, what our product Vartapratikriya is. Now coming to what we have used to build our product or the prototype. So to make the front end or the UI design, we have used React, JavaScript, and CSS. Other than that, coming to the scraping part, we have used news APIs, Beautiful Soup for crawling the websites and getting news information, YouTube for live videos and news videos from YouTube, and then getting those e-newspaper and doing OCR and getting data from that part. For transforming those data into a refined data and getting a sentiment and also fact checking those data, we have used multiple open source models, that is Transformers, LangChain, Farm2, Hugging Face, and Google Bird. For serving these data to frontend, we have for the backend we have used Django and Flask. For database, we have used MySQL and also NoSQL, that is MongoDB. And all of it has been deployed into our own premise server and also in Vercel for load balancing and efficiently working of the system. Now coming to the development pipeline, we have at first we are scrolling the data, then compilation of all data is done. Any language data that is being fed to a server is supported, after which we do the sentiment analysis of that data, of all the multilingual language of India data. Then those data are sent to a fact checker, where if the news is valid or not is being checked. Upon detection of any negative news or any fake news, alert is being sent via the portal to the nearest PIB officer with the news source and the news outlet section to take any instant action against that news and also the news producer. Then this process data is also displayed on our website for viewing of the PIB officer and also our normal user in a categorized format of different categories available at our website.
Coming on to the use cases of our product, the primary target audience is government agencies and law enforcement offices who can use our product to get a live feedback system. Also, private media firms can use this product to receive detailed analytics of all the news in the market, thus leading to a business venture. Now, what sets us apart and our project from any other product is firstly, we use all possible sources of information, including articles, e-newspapers, YouTube videos, as well as live streams and podcasts. It can also work on any Indian languages and provide a sentiment analysis on them, which is done by a custom-made model. Finally, it also provides instant report of negative analyzed news. Here are some of the challenges we faced while creating this project. We had to deal with videos without transcript, handle multiple Indic languages. Some of the major technical challenges were making it scalable and the API limitations. We also had to automate the cron job using our own server. Looking to the future, we plan on making a centralized alert system for all media outlets and PIB offices. We intend to extend our solution by adding more sources of information. Also, we plan on getting a decentralized location implementing ideas and technologies of Web 3.0. This is our team, mentored by Dr. Ratna Mondal and Dr. Nilanjan De, led by Rajdeep Ghosh and our team members Shayok Ghosh, Saptanjana Sarangi, Shinjini Homroy, Shinjoy Ghosh, and Rajdeep Chatterjee. Thank you for your time and do mail us in case of any queries or suggestions. Thank you.